Hey guys, what's going on? Paul James here. I wanted to walk through a quick video to help you guys get started and use AI to generate leads for local business owners without having to rank websites or run ads. And the way we're going to do it is we're going to use social media to create a community page. And with that community page, we're going to post helpful things throughout the community. And then we're going to weave in lead generation posts within that. So this is really easy to do because as long as you know how to create an Instagram page, which you can look up on YouTube or Google or ask ChatGPT, a Facebook fan page, a YouTube channel, or a TikTok, you can do this strategy, and I'm going to show you how over the next 10 or 15 minutes or so. Now the cool part is that you can start with either one of these or you can do all four. And if you do all four, I call this the 4 times multiplier because everything you post, you can cross post to each one without having to do 4 times the work. So you're basically getting 4 times the results for one time of working on it. So the first thing that we need to do for this strategy is we need to use the 3 filters that I use to decide on a niche. Now, if you want access to this document, it's inside of Module 2 of the AI Money Garden course. But I'll quickly show you, if you don't have it, how I use it and kind of what it is so that you can sort of decide if it's for you or not, or you can just wing it without it. But the course is very cost effective. Today, it's $37. That deal does end, though, at midnight. And I also put together a bundle as well, which includes all of the upsells. So basically you can skip the whole funnel and get all of the upsells, which there's some tools included in here, and I'm going to show you we're going to be using them as they go. So just know that those tools are upsells that I'm using. And if you want all of the tools, like just all in, it's $129 today until midnight. Anyways, let's get started with the core framework. So what I do is I have these 3 filters and I paste them into ChatGPT. I'm going to copy them, paste them into ChatGPT, but I'm going to ask first, I'm going to prompt it. I'm going to say, I want to start a community page around a local community near Orlando, Florida, where I will post helpful tips to the community part of the time, and the other part of the time I will use it to generate leads for local businesses and charge them per lead. Help me pick a community that fits these 3 filters. And I'm going to paste the filters. So this does all of the work for you. And like I said, this is in Module 2 of the course. You can download the framework worksheet. But basically the filters are the homeowner density. We're looking for good home values, community identity, and a population sweet spot here, and then competition check. So as you can see, ChatGPT does this all for us so that we don't have to do it. And it gave us a nice pick that we could go. And you could do this from anywhere in the world. You don't have to be in the United States. Or you could be anywhere in the world and target the United States if you want. So Lake Mary is second best pick. Third pick is Oviedo. First pick was Winter Garden. I feel like I've been using Winter Garden a lot as an example. So in this case, why don't we go with Lake Mary? It gives you some ideas too of niches that you can pick, like roof, HVAC, landscape, solar, pool surfacing. Okay, so Lake Mary. So the next step is basically we would go and we would create these Instagram pages, Facebook page, YouTube page, and TikTok. And instead of building it around a niche like plumbing or something like that, we're going to build it around Lake Mary. Now, if you don't know what to do, that's where the Money Seed Generator comes into play. And this is one of those software components I was telling you that's included as an upsell. But if you want to skip all of the upsells and just get everything, you can grab the bundle on the sales page. And I'll leave a link to the sales page below this video so that you can go check it out if you want. But the reason why I really like this is that all you do is you enter in your community. What was it, Lake Mary? Yep, Lake Mary. And like I said, this works anywhere. So you could be in any country. Then you're going to pick the niches that you want to use. So I'm going to do these 3. You can pick as many as you want too, because you don't have to stick with just one niche with this strategy. That's kind of the beautiful part about it. And if you have other niches that aren't listed here, you can add them in. Then you click Generate My Money Seed Plan. And it's going to take about 3 minutes, and it's going to start building your content calendar. So it's going to literally give you 30 days of content that you can then take and post. And it's going to do it all in about 3 minutes. So let me let that load and I'll show you what we came up with. Okay, so it finished, and as you can see, it gave us some page name ideas. It gave us a recommended ratio of how often we should post for what, and it mapped out 30 days of exactly what we should post here, all done for you. It's telling you what the post is going to be for all 30 days. It's giving you the captions of what to post, so that's cool, and it's giving you the exact scripts. Now, I would use scripts like this if I was going to use a software like CapCut to make the videos. CapCut is a free app on your phone, and you can just plug this script right in and use CapCut. I'm going to show you another way that's even more automated to do it, called InvidoCreator.com. It's the one that I really like to do. So for this one, share tips on how homeowners can reduce energy consumption this summer. So let's just do an example here with Invido. Invido has like a free plan to get you started, but once you do a lot of videos, they're going to try to get you to upgrade, and it's like $17 a month. So if you don't want to pay anything, then you'll want to use CapCut and then just copy the script. Okay, and I have some training inside on how to use CapCut and do it manually as well, but this is like more of the autopilot way. So I recommend using version 2.0 in Invido if you're going to go with this strategy. The reason why is because Invido is going to use stock footage on this one rather than generating AI generations, which gets to be more pricey. And on the bottom here, you're going to click Explore All and click Instagram Reel. So I'm going to say, give me a video on tips on homeowners. I'm going to say in Lake Mary, Florida can reduce energy consumption this summer. And if they want a free quote on solar, to reply yes. I'm going to say make the background music upbeat. Language should be English with a professional tone. I'm going to say use a clear American voice. And for subtitle, I'm going to do a clean subtitle with outline. Then I'll say don't use iStock because that's going to be cheaper. Now at this point, all you do is click Generate Video. But so we don't have to wait, I'll just kind of show you one that I've already generated here. It's inside the course in Module 3, so you can go check that out. I'll click play on it quickly. It might be a little hard to hear, but just so you can kind of get an idea of what it looks like.
If you're a homeowner in Winter Garden, this is for you. Ready to pay less for power? It starts with just...
Okay, so you kind of get the point, right? It looks really good out of the box, and that just makes it really easy. So you're going to take these videos and you're going to post them to your page, right? And you're naming your page what it said here, so you'll pick one of these names, like Lake Mary Vibes, and that's going to be the names of your Instagram page, your Facebook page, so on and so forth. So you're taking these videos that you're making, okay, let's say this is the video, you're posting it there, 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 and every time someone replies and says yes, you've just secured a lead. Now, what you're going to do next is you're going to take that lead and you're going to send it over to a solar company in the area, and the solar company is going to pay you every time you send them a lead. It's really easy. So if you're wondering how do I find a client, that's where the lead buyer outreach generator comes in. And again, this is included. This is normally an upsell. So if you buy the normal course, like you don't want all these tools, you just want to learn the strategy, then it's $37 today anyways. Or if you want all of the tools I'm using, then that's in the bundle. So here's how this one works. This one, you come in, you punch in your niche, and if you have a custom one, you click Other and enter it. You punch in the city, like that. We'll say we want to charge per lead. How many leads can we generate? Let's ask chat just to see. If I post on social media via Reels for Lake Mary, Florida, and post to try and generate leads for a solar company for a free estimate, on getting solar on your home, and I post, let's just say every day, how many leads could I generate? Let's see what it says back. 5 to 20 in the beginning phase. We could be upwards of anywhere 30 to 100 within 3 months. So let's just say on the low end, let's say 10, because it's kind of in the middle. And we'll say 10 monthly leads for solar, and we'll say our page is Lake Mary Vibes. Now the cool part, we'll click generate my outreach pack. It's going to do all the work for you. It's going to generate the cold emails to reach out to solar companies in the area. It's going to tell you how much you should charge per lead. It's going to tell you what you should say when they ask, about how much it costs. It's going to help you handle objections. It's going to give you follow-ups. So it literally does everything for you dependent on your niche, the city, and it fills in all of your details like your community page name and all of that all automatically for you, which makes it really easy. So check it out. Target is about $50 per lead. It tells you kind of what you can expect to make in monthly income. It tells you the pricing structure of what to say when they ask, what you charge. It's giving you the cold email outreach here. Like right here, I run a community page called Lake Mary Vibes. So pretty cool. It gives you Instagram and Facebook DM messages. It tells you what to say when they say, well, tell me more about it. And then it's got 5 objections that is going to be common for this niche and exactly how to answer it. So it just gives you really good confidence to go in knowing that you're going to be able to secure and close the deal. And because you'll already have the leads coming in, you're ready to go. You're ready to go and start making money. So the idea is, you've got these leads coming in, and you don't have to just stop with solar. You're going to start posting about roofing companies on your page. You're going to start posting about HVAC companies on your page. And before you know it, you've got all of these deals stacking up. And that's what an AI money garden is. So with that being said, again, we have a special running on this until midnight. Go check it out. Highly recommend the bundle. It's something I decided to put together special for you guys to let you skip the funnel. No upsells, just everything you see is included. Or if you don't want all of the done for you tools and software that I put together, you just want the training with the bonuses, you can pick that up for $37. An entry point that is available for really anyone to get started. So hop in there. I hope you guys like it. We got a lot of great reviews that have already come in as well. So go jump in. I'm excited for you guys.